Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to avoid moldy soil, how to get rid of GNATS and other toxins, and also how to give your plants a natural humidifier. When you buy new plants, expect the toxins and don't forget to repot your new plants. I bought this monstera yesterday, so I will show you how I repot my plant. I'm using this organic soil. This is a lightweight organic soil. I also use perlite, charcoal at the bottom. This is ordinary charcoal or organic charcoal. I usually put at the bottom. And then I also use activated charcoal. These both charcoal are beneficial to plants. Aside from preventing mold, charcoal is a natural humidifier. It repels insects and removes odours too. So perlite and activated charcoal. And don't forget the organic charcoal at the bottom. The roots are healthy and no dead roots at all. And the soil is not moldy. So I am lucky today. But still I'm going to repot it. I wash the roots too. So you see, it's clean now. I enjoy repotting. That's why insects will not stay in my plant, especially GNATS. I hate it. How about you guys? Do you enjoy repotting? You should enjoy if you hate toxins. My plants looks happy now. No moldy soil, no more insects, no more GNATS, no moldy soil, no flying insect, no fungus, and they look happy now. And they have natural humidifier. Remember the charcoal I use at the bottom? That is their natural humidifier. Nice and tidy now. No more dried leaves. Thank you guys for watching. See you again.